Hey there, I am Yan, the founder of YanSourcing. If you're looking to buy directly from Chinese manufacturers at the best prices, you've probably heard of 1688.com. But it is all in Chinese. How can you use it safely and effectively? Stick around, I'll share my top tips for beginners. What is 1688.com? 1688 is Alibaba's internal Chinese marketplace. It offers direct factory access at lower prices than international platforms. Products span every category imaginable. Most listings are in Chinese only. 1688 versus Alibaba.com. Key differences. 1688.com. Domestic Chinese B2B marketplace. Prices in Chinese RMB. Lower minimum order quantities. Chinese language interface. Alibaba.com. Global B2B platform. Prices in USD. Higher MOQs typically. English language interface. Key considerations. Verify suppliers carefully on 1688. Expect 10 to 30% cost savings. Translation tools required. Translation and navigation tips. Install translation tools. Use Google Translate extension for Chrome or Edge. It provides real-time translation of Chinese text. Try image search. Upload product photos to find similar items. This bypasses language barriers completely. Check supplier ratings. Focus on sellers with high transaction scores. This indicates reliability and quality. Compare prices. Install Ally Price extension to ensure you're getting the best deal across platforms. Finding reliable suppliers. Look for verification icons. The bullhead icon indicates verified suppliers. Prioritize these sellers for safety. Check ratings and history. Seek suppliers with 4.5 plus stars. Review their transaction history for consistency. Clear communication. Use precise language in inquiries. Detailed questions get better responses. Request samples. Always test products before bulk orders. Budget $20, $50 for quality samples. If you need help, drop a comment or check out our free sourcing guide in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more China sourcing tips. See you next time.